Hybrid learning. Future of online education with hybrid learning. Hi subscribers, today we are back with a great video which will show you that will be the future of online learning in the hybrid mode. There are a lot of things which are similar to this and you should know how your education system is going to work in the upcoming year with hybrid mode. Before any further ado, let's get into the video and know why online studies are better in hybrid mode. First is flexible. Online education allows both the teacher and the student to establish their own learning speed as well as the extra flexibility of creating a timetable that works for everyone. As a consequence, adopting an online educational platform allows for a better balance between work and study. Therefore, no sacrifices are required. Online learning gives you important time management skill which makes it simpler to strike a solid work-study balance. A shared agenda between the student and instructor can also encourage both parties to take on additional duties and gain more autonomy. It offers a wide selection of programs. In a space as vast and wide as the internet, there are infinite skills and subjects to teach and learn. A growing number of universities and higher education schools are offering online versions of their program for various levels and disciplines. From music composition to quantum physics, there are options for every type of student studying, and also your program online is also a great option for getting an official certificate, diploma or degree without physically setting foot on a university campus. Next, it's accessible. Online education enables you to study or teach from anywhere in the world. This means there's no need to commute from one place to another or follow a rigid schedule. On top of that, not only do you save time, but you also save money, which can be spent on other priorities. The virtual classroom is also available anywhere. There's an internet connection, and a good way to take advantage of this is to travel. For example, if you're studying abroad and want to get a job, online education is a great choice. There's no reason to give up on working or studying while exploring new and exotic places. Fourth, it allows for a customized learning experience. We have mentioned before how flexibility can also help you to set your own study pace. But online education is also flexible for each student, individual requirements and level of ability. Online classes tend to be smaller than conventional class size. Most of the time, online learning platforms only allow the student at a time, and in almost all cases, this allows for a greater interaction and more feedback between you and your tutor. There's often access to every diverse material such as video, photo, ebooks online as well. But tutor can also interrogate other formats like forums or discussions to improve their lessons, and this extra content is available at any moment from anywhere, which will offer you a more dynamic and tailor-made education. Last and the fifth, it's more cost-effective than traditional education. Unlike in-person education methods, online education tends to be more affordable. There's also often a wide range of payment options that let you pay in installments or per class. This allows for better budget management. Many of you may also be subject to discounts or scholarships, so the price is rarely high. You can also save money from compute and class materials, which are often available for free. So in other words, we can say that the monetary investment is less, but the results can be better than the other options. So we hope the video was interesting and knowledgeable for you. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and also share it with all your friends and let us know what all videos you want from us in future. Thank you.